Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install SSL on WordPress website free. Now for the first method, you might want to try using your Let's Encrypt First via your hosting provider. Now to do this, access your hosting control panel, for example, cPanel or Plesk, and then log into your hosting account. And then look for the SSL or TLS or security section in your control panel. Then, if your hosting provider supports Let's Encrypt, you should see an option to install it. Select your domain and follow the prompts to install the SSL certificate. And then update your WordPress URLs by heading to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Settings, then General, and update the WordPress address URL and site address URL to use https:// instead of http://. And then finally, force HTTPS. So install and activate the really simple SSL plugin from the WordPress plugin repository. The plugin will automatically detect your SSL certificate and configure your site to use HTTPS. Now for method 2, you can use a plugin or WP encryption. So the first thing you need to do is to install a WP encryption plugin. Head to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Plugins, then Add New, and search for WP encryption. Finally, install and activate the plugin. Next up, you're going to have to generate an SSL certificate. So head to WP encryption in your WordPress dashboard, enter your email and domain name, then follow the instructions to verify your domain and generate the SSL certificate. And then you can go ahead and install an SSL certificate. The plugin will guide you through the process of installing the certificate. This usually involves copying and pasting the certificate keys into your hosting control panel. And then make sure to enable HTTPS, so just use the plugin settings to force HTTPS on your site. Now for the last method, you can use a hosting provider with built-in SSL. So choose a hosting provider, and some hosting providers like Bluehost, SiteGround, and DreamHost offer free SSL certificates with their hosting plans. Activate SSL by logging into your hosting account, then navigate to the SSL/TLS section and activate the free SSL certificate for your domain. And finally, update WordPress URLs and force HTTPS. Follow the same steps as mentioned above to update your WordPress URLs and force HTTPS using the really simple SSL plugin. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.